Hi, I'm Sudeep and I've been working on building Capital 8 for the hackathon. So Capital 8 allows you to invest in tokens in a smart, systematic and a hassle-free way. So instead of investing everything at once, you can create a goal and invest small amounts which would be automatically debited from your wallet and invested regularly as per your plan. So the main advantage of this is that you average out the buy price and you don't have to worry about timing the markets. So we have two actors here. One is the investor's dashboard and another one is the providers. So investor is basically anyone who creates a plan, and a provider is any user who processes those installments by paying a transaction fee and receives the processing fee in return. So let's connect with MetaMask here and let's go to the investor's dashboard. So right now, in the dashboard, we can view our existing plans or create a new one. So I'll just go ahead and create a new plan. So for example, say I would like to invest 30 DAI every 10 days to buy the link token. So I have an option to redirect the final tokens to another address. And but for the time being, I've just pasted my same address here, and I've already approved the contract to spend DAI, so I'll just go ahead and create the plan. So once the transaction is confirmed, so the plan should be available on the provider's dashboard, and they should be able to process it. So let's switch to the provider's view here. So I have Chrome open here, and let's connect using Portis this time. Okay, so I'll switch to the providers tab here. So here I can see all the plans that are available and the corresponding fee that I will receive to process them. So these are the available plans. So I'll just go ahead and process this one. So I'll just confirm this and let's check the status on Etherscan. So right now, as we can see here, this installment was worth 100 DAI, and I would be receiving 1 DAI in this wallet for processing this transaction. So let's just wait till this transaction is confirmed. And I have my Portis wallet open here, so I don't have any DAI as of now. So the transaction is confirmed now. So as we can see, $99 worth of DAI, which is $100 minus the processing fee, has been swapped for buying Ether, wrapped Ether, which is a token, and 1 DAI has been deposited to my address as the transaction as the processing fee. So if I check my Portis wallet here, we can see 1 DAI. Basically, we are incentivizing the users to process transactions and collect fees in return. So thank you for your time. Have a nice day.